for solving literal equations. Look what you're asking to be solved for. We're looking to get x by itself. Since p is multiplied by x squared, first thing we're going to do is divide by p on both sides of the equation. Those two p's go to 1, so now we have y divided by p equals x squared. The opposite of squaring is the square root. So once you do that, the square root of an x squared is just x, and your answer is the square root of y over p. Second problem. Y equals 8x squared. Again, we're looking for x. Since 8's multiplied times x, we're going to divide by 8 on both sides of the equation. Y over 8 equals x squared. And again, the opposite of squaring is the square root. So we take the square root of both sides. Square root of x squared is just x. And your answer is the square root of y over 8. Third problem. Again, we're just solving for x. Y equals 3zx squared. 3 times z times x squared, we could either just divide by 3, or I'm going to divide by 3z on both sides. The 3's cancel out to 1, the z's cancel out to 1, so now you have y over 3z equals x squared. Then we take the square root of both sides, because that's the opposite of squaring. So we get x equals square root of y over 3z. Last literal equation problem, we have a equals 2 pi r squared, and it's asking us to solve for r. Okay, this is the area of a circle. So if we want r by itself, we need to move this 2 pi. It's multiplied times r, so we're going to divide both sides by 2 pi. Those two go to 1, so we're left with a over 2 pi equals r squared. From there, again, the opposite of squaring is take the square root. So you get r equals the square root of a over 2 pi.